Hello! This is a demonstration of a talking picture.
Is about a movie production company, Monumental Productions, and
the transformation from silent black and white films to talkies and the drama that happens when the studio tries to switch.
They're trying to create a talking film because that's the latest thing of the era.
'Tis Cupid himself that called me here, and I, smitten by his arrow, must come charging to your side.
I play Cosmo Brown. He actually gives Don the idea to make the dueling cavalier, the dancing cavalier, so that they can make the talking film into a musical.
Miss Lena has an awful talking voice.
And we've been in a couple movies together, a lot of movies.
Don Lockwood, who's this great silent film actor, he can make the transition, but his acting partner, you could say, Lena Lamont, can't make the transition because her voice is terrible. So.
If you was a man, you would fall in love with me. Yeah!
So they find this woman, Kathy, who I play, to use her voice in place of Lena's. And meanwhile, through all of this, there's a love triangle going on.
My character wants Don Lockwood, but he wants Kathy Selden, who has the nicer voice than I do.
Hilarity ensues.
Especially this year, has been really gloomy and depressive. So this whole show is just really upbeat and fun, and I think it'll just be a nice uplifting way to start your spring.
The whole story is just a great, wholesome love, comedy, drama story. It's great. Gold. Great show for TYD to do right now because, as you know, it's April. It's going to be April, and I've heard that April showers bring May flowers, so that's always a good thing.
It's jam-packed with lots of acting, singing, and so much dancing.
Ready for love, let the stormy clouds chase.
Well, us together as a cast, we have a lot of fun, so I think that will really show when we're on stage, and you should come see Singin' in the Rain.
It's really great for spring because in the show there's a lot of new things kind of blossoming, like whether we love or ideas, so it's kind of like spring in the sense that there are new things coming to life.
A talking picture. Thank you.